So these are the cost crunchers at its.co.uk. These are everyday items at our cost price. And I mean, I was gonna say, you know, you would have seen it on the news, you know, and it's hard not to see it. You know, the cost of living and the cost of working is rising. So we're gonna be selling some products every single week at our cost price, you know, just to combat that. And these are essential items. These are the costs that maybe your customers, your clients, they wouldn't think of. But ITS have been serving the trade for more than 40 years, and we know exactly when these costs can come in. So just a little look at the products that we have in our cost crunchers this week. We have 200 Wonder Wipes, we have an 8-piece Bosch drill bit set, and we have a pack of 3 Stanley knives. So all of these are gonna be sold at our cost price, so you can take the profit and put it in, you know, to everything else, all of the other costs that are gonna be coming up on site, especially with the cost of living and cost of working rising. So you can check these out. These are the ITS cost crunchers at its.co.uk.